Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be doing the brake calipers on the 335. We're going to be painting them with a gold color, goldish copper, I guess, burnt copper. So obviously the wheels didn't turn out good gold, so now we're going to do the calipers. So it looks like they're black, or they were black. Somebody attempted to already repaint these, because you can tell because they're chipping in some areas. So hopefully this looks sick. I wanted to do something flashy, but I feel like this is more subtle. You know, it's not going to stand out too much. Okay, so we're going to do one side each. Obviously we're going to have to prep them and everything. I do know these are two different colors. They don't have more than one can of each of these. So I'm going to do the first two coats with this one, and then this is going to be the top coat. Okay, so we just went ahead and hit this with some degreaser, and we already hosed it off. And like I said, there's already paint on there, so it looks like we're just gonna degrease it. I mean, I don't think we really have to sand it all the way down to the bare metal, because this doesn't look too bad. It's only like fading in some areas. So we're just gonna degrease it real well, give it a quick scuff, and then we'll just go ahead and start painting it. Okay, so quick update. Instead of trying to like put plastic around the rotor and, you know, tape it on there, we removed the rotor, and now we just have the calipers on there hanging. So we don't have to cover as much, and we can get the whole area without getting it on the rotor.
Alright, so this side is all prepped up. Plastic tape and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this side. And then he's just going to go ahead and prepare the other side. Alright, so I did 2 coats of the gold. Now we're going to do 1 coat of the copper. On camera it looks kind of the same, but it's not. And then he's doing over there the gold. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is how it looks. And it looks really nice. It actually came out really good. I put the rotor back on. Now I'm just gonna put the wheel back on. He's already putting it back on over there on that side too. Struggling, but it'll go in there. There you go. Really nice. Alright, so that's how it looks. Almost done. We removed the rear tire right there. This one's a really small caliper, so we're probably just gonna cover around it. We're not gonna remove the rotor. But yeah.
Alright guys, so all 4 sides are finally done. Took in total about 2 hours.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. We started at 5:30.
We didn't start at 5:30.
Oh, what time did we start?
Like around 2:30.
Oh, bro, it's like 7. Guys, it took us like 4 hours, but we took like a long
like
break because it was freaking hot, which explains the tent. But anyways, it looks sick. I'm glad I went with the orange burnt copper instead of like the pure gold flake. This looks more like an OEM color. And then my brother's here. Show him the 328.
There's a 328.
328. It's probably going to be gone from the channel because we sold it to him. After the accident, we don't want to see it anymore.
Here's this little caliper. Hello, tiny.
Little baby calipers.
Mm-hmm.
He looks really good on camera, actually.
Yeah.
Just how it does in person. But anyways, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.